So in this video, I'm just gonna do a hyperlapse on me just doing maintenance on the bike. I'm gonna put the cover here back on. I'm gonna clean out the air filter because it needs to be clean. It's really dirty. You know, I'm also gonna clean the chain and have the bike prepped. I was gonna tape up the mirrors and stuff, but I'm actually gonna take the mirrors off the bike. I'm gonna tape up the brake light, the headlights, and I should be ready for track day. All right, so just stay tuned. YouTube. So I'm trying something new. I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't know if this is a nice look, but I'm trying something different. And it's this. This is the matte grip tape, I think it's called, or floor grip tape. I don't know. I had it here for a little while. In some of my videos, you'll see it. When I lean in, I use these areas on the bike to give myself arm grip. Not the best. Learned recently, when you're riding, you're not riding to hang on. So I need to use more of my leg strength. So lately, I've been finding myself, especially in cornering, my legs tend to want to grip the tank or grip the sides of the bike, but I tend to slide. So I'm trying something different. I put some grip tape on this side, and then I also put some grip tape on this side. When I ride, because I'm so tall, my legs barely grip on to the actual gas tank. Most of my grip is coming from the mid part of the bike, this fairing primarily. A lot of my grip is here. Because my legs are so long, my knees damn near reach about right here on the bike. Let me show you a little bit of what I'm talking about. Give me 1 second. All right, YouTube, I apologize if the audio sounds terrible, but let me show you what I'm talking about. So, for instance, if I'm on the bike, right, my feet are up. If you look, my knees are here on the bike, not up here. I don't know nobody that rides like this. This is too much of a high angle and too much on my toes, where my knees are up here. That's just too much. I don't know nobody that rides like that. So for me, instead of it being so high, I like to have my knees a little bit lower, and the area that I grip the tank or grip the side of the bike is mostly lower, like right in this area. So now, when I'm riding, it's way more comfortable to get low. And if you look, my knees are gripping not here, but down here. I find myself, especially when I'm turning, if I have to lean in, see, I'm not on this, I'm more on this part. If I'm turning in to a corner, and then if I'm going on the opposite way, obviously, you don't really see it, but my toes are more at this angle into the corner. So I've been trying to find like different ways that I can be more comfortable on the bike, especially cornering, because that's where I feel I need the most training or practice. I need the most amount of practice is in my cornering. I don't care about going straight. I can care less about trying to go straight against another bike, you know? Because whenever we come up to a curve, almost all the time, I see brake lights. And some guys that I ride with, they'll go from 120, 130, all the way down to 50, 60 on the highway. And that's mainly because they're not comfortable cornering in 3-digit numbers. especially some of the tight turns that I've been introduced to recently. So because of that, I feel like when we're going straight, yeah, everybody's like, they're passing me. Right? It's cool, I don't care, whatever. But then I start to get into the 3-digit numbers, right? And now I'm doing 130, 145. And then here's a turn coming up, and I just see nothing but brake lights. Brake. And then now I'm still doing 120, 130, and then here's a turn, I'm on a turn, and I'm like, well, why is everybody slowing down? I'm thinking maybe there's a situation ahead, an accident, somebody fell, something. But then as I get to the very front of the pack, I don't see anything. So then now I start accelerating and I stay at my numbers, and they start passing me again. Does that make sense? So I feel like on the track, where I have the tape here, it may give me a bit of an edge. Not an advantage, but an edge to see what my cornering is like. Today is a really rainy day, so I can't go out to practice. But the next clear day I have, I'm gonna go out to do some practicing with this new setup and see if I like it or not. I did have the grip tape up top, but I was learning that the more of my arm strength I was using to pull down on the tape wasn't really helping. It was making me more reliable on my arms to turn and not using my hips or my legs. So yeah, so this is the new setup for the bike. I'm gonna try like this for maybe a month or two, and then we'll go from there. And the one back here, I'm already up against the tank ever on my bike because I'm so tall. So I don't need the one back here. So I don't have one. But yeah. So thank you guys for watching. This quick update on my bike, and yeah, let's get ready for the track day, baby.